Chemical bond. In the chemical bond, we have to study the ionic bond, the examples of ionic bond, and the characteristics of ionic compounds. We have to study these points in the lecture. Next one is the electrovalent or ionic bond. Electrovalent bond is also known as a ionic bond. What is the ionic bond? There is a electrostatic force of attraction between the stable ion formed by complete transfer of electron from atom of metallic element to the atom of non-metallic element. Means there is a transfer of electron from metallic atom to the non-metallic atom. तर त्या ठिकाणी काय होत असते, देर इज अ कंप्लीट ट्रान्सफर मीन्स द मेटॅलिक ॲटम हॅज अ extra electron in its outermost orbit and it can donate the electron to and the become a stable molecule, and the other non-metallic element or non-metallic atom has deficient electron in its outermost orbit. That's why they can accept the electron which is donated by metallic atom and they complete their outermost orbit and becomes stable. That's why there is a complete transfer of electron from metallic atom to the non-metallic atom. The metallic atom lose electron to complete octet and acquires a nearest inert gas configuration and form a positively charged ion called a cation. Means metallic atom can lose the electron from a outermost orbit and it complete its octet and it acquires a inert gas configuration and it form a positively charged ion, and that positively charged ion is called a cation. Means metal can lose the electron and they become stable and it acquires a positive charge and that is called a cation. In the non-metallic atom gains the electron, means non-metallic atom gain the electron to complete the octet and acquires a nearest inert gas configuration forming negatively charged ion, that is called anion. Means first of all, metallic atom can donate or can lose the electron and acquires a positive charge, that is called a cation, and non-metallic atom gain the electron or accept the electron which is donated by metallic atom and they acquires a negative charge. That charged ions are called anion. Means if the ions have a positive charge, that is the cation. If the ions have a negative charge, that is the anion. See here, the neutral atom means it is the atom. If the atom is lost the electron, means if atom is donated the electron, it acquires a positive charge and that is called a cation. See here, the neutral atom if gain the electron means to complete the outermost orbit, then it acquires a negative charge. That negatively charged ion is called a anion. देर इज ए कॅटायन फॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस. तर या ठिकाणी कॅटायन फॉर्मेशनची प्रोसेस सुद्धा दाखवलेली आहे. इफ द atomic number of sodium is 11, it means first orbit contains the 2 electron, second orbit contains the 8 electron and remaining 1 electron is present in the outermost orbit. Then the sodium should complete the outermost orbit by accepting or by donating the electron. Then sodium has only one electron in its outermost orbit. It should complete the outermost orbit by donating and by accepting the electron. Then if suppose if the to complete the outermost orbit, the sodium should take the 7 electron or should give the 1 electron. म्हणजे काय, एक तर 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन घ्यावं लागेल किंवा 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन द्यावं लागेल, then the outermost orbit will complete. That's why sodium can donate the 1 electron rather than accept the 7 electron. The sodium can donate the 1 electron and becomes stable and it acquires a 1 positive charge. Is depend upon the number of electron donated or accepted. जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट केलेला आहे किंवा जेवढे इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍक्सेप्ट केलेला आहे त्यावरती त्यांचा चार्ज डिपेंड असतो. Positively charged cation and negatively charged anion hold together by electrostatic force of attraction. The bond formed is called इलेक्ट्रोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड और आयोनिक बॉन्ड. तर त्या ठिकाणी काय होत असते, पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज्ड कॅटायन अँड निगेटिव्हली चार्ज्ड anion hold together by electrostatic force of attraction. The bond is formed. That bond is called the ionic bond. Means the metallic atom can donate the electron, they acquire a positive charge, and non-metallic atom can accept the electron and they acquire a negative charge. The positively charged ion is called a cation and negatively charged ion is called a anion. That cation and anion hold together by the electrostatic force of attraction and the bond is formed. That bond is called ionic bond. Means bond is formed, that is the ionic bond. For example, here the magnesium, ॲल्युमिनियम अँड क्लोरीन. आता कोण पॉझिटिव्ह आयन असेल आणि कोण निगेटिव्ह आयन असेल, मीन्स विच वन इज द पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज्ड आयन अँड विच वन विल बी द निगेटिव्हली चार्ज्ड ion. If suppose the magnesium has the atomic number of magnesium is 12, the first orbit contains the 2 electrons, second orbit contains the 8 electrons, remaining 2 electron will be present in the last orbit. See here, 1 and 2 electrons are present in the last orbit of the magnesium and these electrons revolves around the nucleus. Then the magnesium can lose the 2 electron from its outermost orbit and becomes stable. Magnesium काय करतो, 2 electron lose करतो and becomes stable and it acquires a dipositive charge because the magnesium donated or lose the 2 electron. Magnesium काय करतो, 2 electron lose झाल्यामुळे it acquires a dipositive charge. Next one is the aluminum. The atomic number of aluminum is 13 and the first orbit contains the 2 electrons, second orbit contains the 8 electron and last orbit contains the 3 electron. So the aluminum can donate the 3 electron from its outermost orbit and it becomes a stable. So the aluminum acquires a tripositive charge because the aluminum is given 1, 2, 3 electron from its outermost orbit. So it is tri-positively charged ion. Next one is for example, the chlorine. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. So the first orbit contains the 2 electron, second orbit contains the 8 electron and third orbit contains the 7 electron. The one electron is deficient or less to complete the outermost orbit in the chlorine. So the chlorine can accept the 1 electron to complete its outermost orbit and it acquires a negative charge. So it is a anion. Means काय, जे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज असतात कोण असतात, which atom can donate the electron, that atoms are positively charged atoms and which atom can accept the electron, that atom is a negatively charged atom. See here the atom, if the electron lose it is positive ion, if the electron gain it is a negative ion. Means electron डोनेट करणारे काय पॉझिटिव्ह आयन बनतात आणि इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍक्सेप्ट करणारे काय निगेटिव्ह आयन बनत असतात आणि दॅट पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज द कॅटायन अँड निगेटिव्हली चार्ज द anion होल्ड टुगेदर बाय द इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन. That bond formed, that bond is called the electro ionic bond or electrovalent bond.